Sorry, a little look made me laugh. I don't know why that made me laugh. Wait.
Lucky, you are a jealous rabbit. You're the hump thingy. Shona.
He's trying to hunt my slipper. This has happened to me before.
Lucky, that's not.
That's
a real
actually my
rabbit.
foot. Lucky, that's my foot.
You was expecting this, weren't you?
What, that he'd try and hunt my
Yeah.
foot? I didn't think he actually would.
Yeah, you'll do it. It's only your rabbits. They don't think they're your feet. You don't know, does he? Oh my god, that's really fun for him because you can just.
Lucky! Trying to fucking finish. Trying to get a wholesome video here, Lucky. Victor, you have to come up to your basking spot.
Hello.
You haven't got a brain.
Hello, sausage. What's this? Look, Victor wants to say hello. Victor says, "I'm here, Lucky. I want
Oh my
to
God,
say hello." It's his dad shit, eh? What's Victor doing? Moving his back. That's what he's doing. Putting it down. Just move it. You nearly played for me, didn't you? Yeah. He is jealous, isn't he, when you're feeding him?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Where is it, Victor? Where is it? Oh, you're going to figure that out later. And if you don't, then I'll just give it to you. I need to clean your tank. Right, shall we wait? We'll wait a minute. Oh, he's thinking, he's doing stuff. Come up. What's this strange object in your tank? What is it? It's not going to melt, is it? It might melt. Let's put it up. Oh, I've given in.
Love you.
Love you. Alright, I'll put it there. There we go. Go to it. Go to it. There. It's dry. Quick, get it wet. I did wet the cup. Oh. Nom. Right, Lucky? Done it. He's doing it. You're doing it. More fun, isn't it, that way? Oh. A little bit of water. Oh, he's found something. You're a big terrapin. I'm going to measure you against things because I'm not so... Oh, there he goes. What are you doing? You crazy one. Gonna try it again now. He's in food mode. Actually, I've got nail polish on. Just realised. Oh, if I leave that, it's got 2 holes in the bottom. I'll leave it to soak. Then he won't have problems with it. Sounds weird, but I kind of like the smell of his fish tank today. It's not the cleanest. It smells like an aquarium. What the fuck? What just happened to him? What just happened? Let's take that off for a start. What on earth are you doing? What was that? You okay? Eating again. Oh my goodness. Actually gone mental. I'll just have that as a floating device for now. Oh no, I'll take it out actually. Right. See if he does it again. That was mental. Hello, Lucky. Gonna get you a new tank soon, Victor. Okay, I'm just going to leave it there because we're probably not too hungry today. Just a little snack. Look who's back. I'm going to run away and you're going to have to chase me. Right. Let's run. That's kind of weird, isn't it? Tempt you with my slipper. Okay, so let's just flop then. Don't worry about it. He's happy. Having a little shower. We have to have 2 filters in there because... I don't know. One of them's his old one, which works really well. And the other one's his new one, which is really nice too. I like it when he uses my hand as a sort of another rock. Sometimes I play with him. But he's eating at the moment. We'll swim together, won't we? Yeah, we'll swim together. We go wee. Go round in circles. Round in circles. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands and disinfect my phone. I want him to find it. I don't want to leave it up there because... Oh, look at that. Floats. Oh, that's fun. That's better. Oh. Oh. Let's change the game. I'm cleaning your tank tomorrow. All of this. All this. Not see your bloody face or anything. What have we got down here? Okay, I think a cloth is in the other room. Let's go and get it. I didn't find anything decent except this, which might just do for now. It's pretty bad, but streaky. Anyway, where's Victor? Where's he gone? This is meant to be for his shell, but he hasn't needed a shell wash for a while because it's not that bad. Anyways, I'll probably continue to... Oh, look, he's tipped it. It's all coming out now. Yeah, I don't know what he did with that basking spot, but... when we get him a bigger tank, I think the filters will either... I've got the volume as well. Either we'll have less filters, or we'll have a stronger filter, or there will just generally be more space for him, because this desk has got about another 30 centimetres that side, and probably another like 10 centimetres that side. So we're going to increase the length of the tank and hopefully the width as well. Maybe we'll get one of those fancy... Oh, he's going mad. Fancy acrylic ones, because it's lighter than glass apparently. About half as light, but with a big one like that you need something that's useful. Okay, so at least I can see into the tank now. I'm trying to clean his shell. Oh, hello. Oh, no, he wants to get that food. Sorry. I'm not that great at like filming stuff, but I quite enjoy time with our pets. It's a good thing, isn't it? I mean, since he's had this little shower put in, he's been a lot less in need of actual cleaning. I think it just gets rid of all the algae and whatever else is... Oh, sorry, Victor. He's like, what is happening? What's in here now? Oh, hello, sorry. Nothing. You alright, love?
You okay?
Yeah.
Sit down